Few things in your home get as much use as your refrigerator handles. And because of that, they're also typically one of the dirtiest things in your house. This new product from OUGAR8 solves that problem. These beautiful and plush handle covers are the high-end solution you've been looking for. They feel fantastic and give your appliance a gorgeous look and allow for easy removal and simple cleaning. Our covers are designed to be machine washable and will last for years without signs of wear. They work great on the refrigerator, microwave, oven, kitchen cabinets, dishwasher, and many other appliances. We can give you a perfect fit for your appliance as we have custom online ordering available. Our Velcro fastening system allows for easy adjustments, and our set of 2 covers are both reversible, enabling you to use both sides. OUGAR8 products are made with top quality materials and offer a product and customer service that is second to none. No more food stains, water spots, smudges, and fingerprints. OUGAR8 products are available at amaozn.com.